Hello, and today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite elements on the periodic table. And we're going to start from 5, going down to 1 to my most favorite. Okay, so number 5 is plutonium. Okay, if you wanted to get 1 gram of plutonium, you would have to spend about $1 billion. Yeah, and I don't know why you would want to, because there's only 2 uses for it, and that's research and nuclear bombs. Number 4 is bismuth. Bismuth is not only looks really cool, but it's also really useful. If you've ever had like a sick stomach and you had medicine with it, you probably had bismuth because it helps you with your stomach. And it's also used in uh, fire sprinklers because it has a very low melting point. So once it gets hot enough, the bismuth would melt, letting the water out. Number 3, uranium. Uranium is used in nuclear power plants. If you're like me, you probably think that stuff on the top there that comes out is CO2 or methane. But it's not actually that. It's actually steam. I think I spelled that wrong, but I don't care. And the reason for that is when uranium's inside of it, okay? It's in these rods, which is in water. Now the uranium heats up the rods, which heats up the water, boiling it. And when the water gets boiled, its vapor turns the turbines, or like for generators and stuff, and that creates electricity, which that electricity is then brought to your home, and then you use it to whatever you're doing. Number 2, krypton. There's first of all, there's no such thing as kryptonite. Yeah, sorry to disappoint you, all you Superman fans. There's not very many uses for it, but that I know of, but except for like really, really bright flashlights. So, and finally, sodium. That's my number 1. That's my number 1 favorite. It's also very, very explosive. I have this short video by the King of Random showing you how explosive they are. So, yeah. It can explode very violently. So, yeah. So, it's also very poisonous. About half a pound can kill you if handled wrong.
Just touching it?
Just like touching it for too long, it can kill you. And also a very interesting fact, if you grab like pure chlorine and pure sodium, and you like put the sodium in the chlorine, it'll actually have a chemical reaction creating salt. Yes, regular table salt. Yes, you daily eat very poisonous stuff. So, yeah. Sorry for ruining your dinner. So yeah, those are my favorite elements. What are some of yours? You can tell me in the comments and tell me why it's your favorite. So, yeah.